Hey everyone, it's time for an update. Remember from my last video how I was heading to Dr. David's office to discuss the possibility of cutting out my meds for high blood pressure and cholesterol? Well, I had that appointment and I've got some information to share. Hey, I'm Andy and I teach fitness classes in retirement communities and I follow the Aging Strong philosophy, helping people over 60 boost their lifespan and health span. And I developed the 5BX60 workout, an 11-minute daily routine designed to build strength, flexibility, and overall vitality for a longer, healthier life. And when I'm not teaching, you might find me gravel biking or catching a rush of a jump rope session or playing pickleball as I qualify for the 2025 National Senior Games. And I also love spending time with my grandkids and enjoying Mimi's luscious cooking. At 77, I'm a certified fitness instructor and a proud cancer survivor. Join me as we embrace active aging together. Dr. David and I talked about managing my health through lifestyle changes. Given my commitment to the 5BX60 workout, I could cut them off cold turkey, but that probably wouldn't be smart. He said, let's do some tests first. Now, thanks to Molly, his assistant, for efficiently arranging the lab work. And here's what they came up with. 11 different tests that I underwent. Once we have the results, we'll plan the next steps with you. But you know, it is important to understand high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Let's just take a moment to understand these common health issues. Now, high blood pressure or hypertension, think of your arteries as water pipes. You know, when blood pushes forcefully against their walls, it can cause a damage over time. And the factors contributing to hypertension include things like diet, consuming too much sodium, physical inactivity, not getting enough exercise, weight, carrying extra pounds, of course, alcohol consumption, drinking excessively, and smoking, using tobacco products. And genetics is also a factor in all of that. And high cholesterol, well, cholesterol is essential for building healthy cells, but an excess of low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. The causes include diet, eating foods high in saturated trans fats, and physical inactivity, leading a sedentary lifestyle, weight, being overweight, and smoking, lowering good cholesterol, HDL levels. Genetics plays a part, and that's always going to be there. And in the coming weeks, we will dive into how exercise helps control blood pressure and cholesterol, along with other health benefits. Join me as we embrace active aging together. I'll be right back. You know, I always like to bring a little bit of fun to our workout. And I've got a new jump rope challenge I want to tell you about. And here's how it works. Set your goal. Start with a number that's comfortable for you, be it a 50, 100 or more. Challenge yourself each day. Try to match or exceed your previous count. Share your progress. Use the hashtag #BeatAndyJump on social media to let us know how you're doing. This challenge is all about fun, motivation, and community. There's no need to keep formal records. It's the honor system. The goal is to encourage each other to stay active and push our limits. Benefits of jumping rope. All right, friends, let's take charge of our health together. Don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe for more updates. And here's to an active, healthy life together.